Hi, I'm Gail Sibley at the IAPS Convention in Albuquerque, and I'm with Brenda Boylan. Now, Brenda, you're a professional artist, and I know you're taking a workshop here. Can you talk a little about that?
Yes, I approach this as learning, as constant learning, and having a golden nugget, picking up a golden nugget. There's always an opportunity to continue to grow, and my golden nugget was learning how to create a thumbnail sketch. And I am the kind of artist that would just jump right into my work and continually just keep on working on it and and correct as I go. But today I learned at the IAPS convention that it is very important to create a thumbnail, a three-value thumbnail, and more than just one, but do a few of them, or two or three or four or five or six, however many it takes to get a good solid composition. And that will, in the future, for me, improve my work. And I'm really excited about finding out how I can make my work better from just that one small lesson. And that's what I learned.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Brenda.
You're welcome, Gail.